Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to if you've suffered a leg injury, if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. Now, if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Leg injuries can have a huge impact on a victim's life, with the potential to limit a person's mobility. And if you'd like to learn more about broken leg compensation payouts, and if you're asking how much compensation do you get for a leg injury, I'm going to take a look at personal injury compensation and how much you may be able to claim for a leg injury.
In front of us, we have the table for leg injury compensation claim amounts, and for loss of both legs, you could expect to receive anything from £191,950 all the way up to £224,800. Then for a below-knee amputation of both legs, you could expect to receive anything from £160,600 all the way up to £215,310. Then for a below-knee amputation of one leg, you could expect to receive anything from £87,100 all the way up to £106,010. Then for the most serious injuries short of amputation, you could expect to receive anything from £67,730 all the way up to £108,370. Then for very serious injuries, you could expect to receive anything from £43,710 right the way up to £67,410. Then for a serious injury, you could expect to receive anything from £31,250 right the way up to £43,710. Then for a moderate injury, you could expect to receive anything from £22,130 all the way up to £31,250. Then for a fracture from which an incomplete recovery is made, you could expect to receive anything from £14,320 right the way up to £22,130. Then for a simple fracture of the femur with no damage to articular surfaces, you could expect to receive anything between £7,270 right the way up to £11,220. Then finally, for simple fractures or soft tissue injuries, you could expect to receive anything up to £9,440.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include any of the compensation for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience with dealing with leg injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. Now, you can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator and our workplace injury compensation calculator to help you calculate how much you may be able to claim in total. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.